Yesterday we met the orchestra for the first time in the Sitzprobe, which is where you ignore all the acting and just concentrate on getting the music together. And that was fascinating. It's more than you normally get with a small orchestra. It's a huge array of percussion, bottles, contrabass, clarinet, contrabassoon, hundreds of mutes for the brass, combs. The first sound in each three parts is tam-tam, but amplified with an amazing kind of cavernous quality to it. Very impressive.
I think I'm right in saying that Eötvös had his earliest experience as a film composer, and that kind of shows in the textures, and it's written in quite a cartoony style. So quite often things are illustrated. So, for instance, this bashing on the tooth is illustrated with bashing on bottles, and obviously it's been quite exciting to get these noises properly put in for the first time. And it's an extraordinary sound world.
Suddenly the palette of the pieces broadened hugely, which is very exciting. It really helps to bring the drama to life and give it all sorts of new dimensions. It encourages what we've been trying to do previously in some ways. So there are some really seedy episodes in the story, and lots of the time they're accompanied by rasping, growling brass, sort of nasty blues sounds.
There are a lot of bass instruments, which obviously that's something that we've discovered in the last 24 hours, that it seems to get increasingly dark.
And sort of grunting at points, quite sort of brutal.
The old man got very angry with himself. With old age, he got angry because he could not be young anymore.
Our wonderful pianist Ian, however amazing and versatile he is, can't make the piano growl and do wah-wah noises. So acting those scenes, being nasty and grimy and seedy, now feels like we're just part of a whole atmosphere of that, rather than just producing it on our own.